We'll guide you through how to connect Printify to Etsy, making it easy to manage your print-on-demand business. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Printify website. You'll need to log into your Printify account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and click on the Manage My Stores option here. You'll see a button that says Connect or Add a new store. Click on that button and you'll be given a list of platforms to connect to. Choose Etsy from this list. Now you will be prompted to log into your Etsy account. Make sure you're entering the correct credentials for the Etsy shop you want to connect. If you're not already logged into Etsy, you'll have to do that now. After logging in, you'll be asked to authorize Printify to access your Etsy shop. This is necessary for Printify to sync products, so go ahead and click Allow Access. Once the authorization is successful, you'll be redirected back to Printify and you should see your Etsy shop listed under your connected stores. Now that your Etsy shop is connected, you can start creating products directly in Printify and publish them to your Etsy store seamlessly. Remember, each product you create can have its own variations. So take advantage of that to offer more options to your customers. Keep in mind that syncing products may take a few minutes, so be patient. And that's it, you're all set up. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.